This is a question in GATE 2020 from the subject called data structure. Here, the question is given the pre-order traversal. It is clearly mentioned pre-order traversal of a binary search tree. As you know that in binary search tree, if you see any node, its left subtree should have lesser values and right subtree should have greater value. And the keys given is 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16 and 19, and this is called pre-order traversal. What is pre-order traversal means? First, in pre-order traversal, first visit the root node, then visit the left subtree and then visit the right subtree. So with this information, we will get to know which is the root node of the tree. Here, this is called root node, and left subtree should have lesser value. Lesser values 10, 12, 11 will be the left subtree, and greater values 20, 18, 16 will be the right subtree. Now I can call root of the tree is 15. This is left subtree, and this is right sub. So here root of the tree is 15, its left subtree is 10, 12, 11 should come in the left part, and 20, 18, 16, 19 will come to the right sub. In that 10, 12, 11, again the root will be 10, means 15's left subtree will have 10, 12, 11, its left is 10, and its right subtree, again it is a pre-order traversal, first element will be the root node of this subtree, means here its right is 20. Now in this, now 12 and 11 both are greater than 10, both 12 and 11 come to the right subtree of 10. In the 12 and 11, 12 will be the root, now 12 appears here, and 11 is a lesser value, should go to this node. Similarly for 20, lesser values in the left subtree, because 18, 16, 19 all are lesser values, should come to the left subtree, and in the left subtree its first value will be the root node of its subtree, so 18, and if 18 is the node, its left hand subtree will have 16 because lesser value, and right subtree will be 19 because greater value. Now the question is, which one of the following is the post order traversal of a tree? Now coming to what is post order. The post order traversal says visit left subtree first, then visit right subtree, then visit the root node. Now perform post order traversal on the binary search tree constructed. First left subtree, means starts with this node, go to the left subtree, we have again its left subtree not there, so move to the right subtree, come to here, again execute the algorithm, first left subtree. So the first key value in the post order traversal will be the 11, because it is already visited, move up, its left subtree over, 12's right subtree not there, so visit this root node. Now next is 12, because it is over, move up, its left subtree not there, right subtree already over, now visit the root node. Next is 10, again move up, its left subtree over, before visit the root node, visit the right subtree, means move this branch, so visit 20, means go to up to come to 20, again execute the algorithm, visit left subtree, it is there, go to this node, again execute the algorithm, visit the left subtree, it is there, it does not have left, right, so visit this node. Now next key value will be 16, up, left is over, move right, its left and right not there, so visit this 19th node, move up, its left and right is over, now next is visit this 18 and move up, its left already over, right not there, so that visit this node, we call 20 in the order. Now move up, its left and right is over, finally we have to visit 15. So what is a post order traversal? 11, 12, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20, 15. This is matching with which option? Option D. First one 11, next 12, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20 and 15. This is a post order traversal of the binary search tree whose pre-order traversal is given. This is how we find the post-order traversal of the binary search tree if pre-order traversal is given.